Step into your dream home in Nottingham. Introducing IQ Nelson Court, where luxury meets convenience, promising a memorable stay during your academic year. Enjoy a range of ensuites, studios, and shared apartments that offer both privacy and a sense of community. Each room features a cozy bed, study desk, and chair, ensuring personal space for studies. But that's just the beginning. IQ Nelson Court provides modern living with an array of amenities like social spaces, a games room, and a cinema room to enjoy with your friends. With utility bills seamlessly included in your rent, you can enjoy a hassle-free lifestyle tailored to your needs. The location couldn't be more better, with the Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies and Nottingham Trent University just a short distance away. Step outside to savor the offerings at Louisa's Vegan Chocolates. For those embracing the Meg life, Fox and Grapes provides the perfect venue. Plus, Southwell Road, stop SN61, adds transport convenience, making traveling simpler. So what are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your ideal sanctuary at IQ Nelson Court, Nottingham today.